Hi guys! Today I'm making garlic parmesan wings, a party favorite. The recipe link is right below the video in the description section. First, heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. I've got whole chicken wings here. Cut the tips off and save it to make stock. Separate the drumettes and flats or wingettes. Put them in a big bowl and dry with paper towels. For the seasoning, to a small bowl, add salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground black pepper. Mix that up. Sprinkle the seasoning all over the wings and mix thoroughly with your hands. Line a half-sheet tray with parchment paper. Place the chicken wings on the paper without touching. Put the drumettes in the back since they may take longer to cook. Arrange the flats in the front. Cook in the heated oven for 20 minutes. Then flip over the wings. Cook for another 20 minutes. A few minutes before the wings are finished cooking, make the sauce. Grate fresh garlic directly into a small saucepan. Add garlic powder, a zest of a lemon, unsalted butter, and dried Italian seasoning. You can sub just dried oregano or fresh parsley if that's all you have. Heat on low for about 2 minutes or until the garlic loses its raw flavor. Don't let the garlic brown. By the way, I'm using unsalted butter because the wings will be salty when you add cheese. For the cheese, use Parmesan grated or Pecorino Romano. If you want to save some time, buy either cheese fresh grated from the deli and it'll be a nice fine grind. The Romano cheese, by the way, is more sharp and tangy, also less expensive than the Parmesan. Place half of the cooked wings in a large bowl. Spoon half of the sauce over them. Put the rest of the wings in the bowl and the remaining sauce. Toss the wings so they are evenly coated. Now sprinkle grated cheese all over. The cheese will stick to the sauce. Serve them right away. You can keep the cooked wings warm, covered with foil in the oven at about 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. When you're ready to serve, heat the sauce, coat the wings, and sprinkle cheese on top. Everyone's gonna love these wings, so definitely make them. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.